first of all, you can see over here, this goes in the bottom of the board, like so. Make sure it's aligned. All right, then we're going to take those two screws that we spoke of earlier, the two black parts, and first, remember, screw them simultaneously. Now, over here we have a ridge. What you do is you hold the screw and then lift over the ridge and then screw again. Keep tightening. Don't forget to do them together. Keep tightening. Okay, and make sure that in the end, both screws are tight in between the two ridges. And you can see, oh, our mast is still a little bit loose, so we have to tighten it just a little bit more. There we go. Nice and stable. Good.